Welcome to this video on DBeaver, the versatile and powerful database tool. In this video, we'll walk you through the installation process and provide an overview of DBeaver's features. Please stay along to know more. In my SQL tutorial, I will be using DBeaver as a data connectivity tool. You may use any similar tool. Let's get started. So, before we begin our hands-on SQL, we need a tool where we can write and execute SQL queries. Database connectivity tools can be exclusive and multi-purpose. Exclusive tools are those which can connect to a particular database. Like SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio, supports Microsoft SQL Server. Teradata Studio Express supports Teradata. Oracle Instant Client or Oracle Database Client supports Oracle, to name few. Multi-purpose database connectivity tools are those which can connect to multiple databases such as Stored Data Point, DBeaver, DB Visualizer, to name few. Downloading the DBeaver installation file from the official website. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the official DBeaver website. You can download the appropriate version for your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. I have shared the website link in the video description. I have a Windows system, so I am choosing Windows. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file and run it. The installation wizard will guide you through the process, making it simple to set up DBeaver on your machine. After the installation, launch DBeaver. The first thing you'll have to do in connect to database, you can connect to a sample database. And you can also set up a connection to your preferred database system using the New Connection wizard. Here you can choose your database and proceed as per the wizard. Once you've successfully connected to a database, DBeaver presents you with an intuitive interface that allows you to explore the database's structure, tables, and views. The left panel displays the database navigator, while the right panel shows the SQL editor. DBeaver's SQL editor offers syntax highlighting, code completion, and formatting to enhance your SQL query writing experience. Execute queries with ease and view the results in the Results tab. DBeaver allows you to visualize your database's structure using ER diagrams. These diagrams help you understand the relationships between tables and provide a visual representation of the schema. Congratulations! You've successfully installed DBeaver and explored its essential features. With DBeaver's versatility and user-friendly interface, you can efficiently manage databases and run SQL queries across various platforms. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to learn it more for more valuable tutorials. Also do visit my website, the link is in the video description. Happy database management with DBeaver.